Yeah, shawty just text me, come over right now. They used to curb me, now they come around. Yeah, we can link, cause she knowin' I'm down, but I never could cuff, I would look like a clown. I got these bands on me right now, put on my music, she loving the sound. She wanna cut cause I'm up, but she ain't paying any attention back when I was down. Now I got like 2 phones steady ringing. New hoes wanna meet me, shawty said I'm too gone and conceited. Stop the hating, I don't need it, I just need my wrist gold, it's anemic. I play it smart and strategic, niggas said I'm losing, man, that was comedic. Cause I'm really undefeated, I'm next. Niggas keep talking until we coming for they next. I just got another big check, I'ma spend it, grandma told me save it, what the heck. Always driving on, about to be the best. I'm up and I can see the rest. Newest drip, always got my feet in check. I won't ever crash out, you won't see the wreck. I won't ever crash out, they throwing stones in my glass house. I'm always turn, but you niggas ain't that loud. Nigga, you brought in your mama ain't that proud. And they be lame, I can go you with that crowd. Shawty Russia, she from Moscow. I got my circle with me if it's hostile. Shawty was lit in the whip, had her top down. Look down at all these niggas from the top now. Yeah, not here to play all these games. I won't ever lose and they know how I'm built. 0 to 100, I do it like Will. Pardon me if you sip on the drip I spill. If I'm on the beat, then they know I got killed. I'm really for real, nigga, what's the deal? I ain't worried about your drama on my mama. I've been only focused on getting the mail. Come over right now. They used to curb me, now they come around. Yeah, we can link cause she knowin' I'm down, but I never could cuff, I would look like a clown. I got these bands on me right now, put on my music, she loving the sound. She wanna cuff cause I'm up, but she ain't paying any attention back when I was down. Now I got like 2 phones steady ringing. New hoes wanna meet me, shawty said I'm too gone and conceited. Stop the hating, I don't need it, I just need my wrist gold, it's anemic. I play it smart and strategic, niggas said I'm losing, man, that was comedic. Cause I'm really undefeated.
Yeah, I always question myself if maybe there's something wrong with me or something I did and it's in my head lately. I'm always looking for answers why we don't get along, and it's kinda fucked how it played out, but still lately I often think that I'm not the son that you really wanted. You never seem to show emotion when it comes to me. I really think you're the reason behind me always running, but honestly I fucking hate who I turned out to be. You were in prison before I could even barely talk. It's kinda funny cause nowadays we barely talk. You left my mom all alone and she had to figure it out. That's why I knew how to hate by the time I barely could walk. Yeah, and when you got out of prison, you were pushing me away like it was part of your mission. Damn, it's like you couldn't understand that I'm your own blood. Treat these other girls' kids better than your own son. I hope you listen and you feel this shit. I hope you go through all the nights with all the pain I did. Hope you go through all the days with all the rain I did. Either with or without you, I'ma make this shit. Yeah.
Feeling like I'm not enough inside my head. I'm giving up. It's hard enough for me to feel unloved. I'll always hide a part of me locked away so you can't see the man you made me be.
Yeah, I know we ain't on the best of terms. I'm waiting for the day when I can say that the tables turn. I prove to myself that I'ma be a better man. I see a lot to learn, and even when it's blood over water, I'm seeing bridges burn. You used to say you were coming, but you would never show. I used to think that you knew me, but you don't care to know. My self-esteem has been falling even if I don't show, but that's okay, I've been working, making a room to grow. Remember holidays, I would ask you for something new. Shit, and you would tell me you couldn't. Fast forward, you would buy her kids whatever they wanted. Had me feeling fucking empty, had me feeling unwanted. I'm sick to my stomach, and really I ain't feeling amused. If it was up to me, you wouldn't be the dad I would choose. Crazy how you push away for just some drugs and some booze. I promise I'ma try my best to be nothing like you.
Feeling like I'm not enough inside my head. I'm giving up. It's hard enough for me to feel unloved. I'll always hide a part of me locked away so you can't see the man you made me be.
Inspector.
I'm about to blow it up. Gotta play stupid games while I'm showing up. I'm tryna make a change, can't be slowing up. So I'm staying on the side as I ain't growing up. I ain't going up. Bitch, I'm about to blow it up. Gotta play stupid
lose and to pretend she's overboard and self-assured. No, I'm not a dirty word. Hello, 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 hello. When the lights out, it's dangerous. Here we are now, entertainers. Nothing stupid, and contagious. Here we are now, entertainers. I'm a lotto, I'm a mano, I'm a skater, I'm a beater, yeah. Hey, yeah. I'm worse than what I do best to fall this gift. I feel blessed. I let her through. It's always been, always will until the end. Hello, 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 hello. And the lights out, it's a dangerous. Here we are now, entertainers. Nothing stupid, and contagious. Here we are now, entertainers. I'm a lotto, I'm a mano, I'm a skater, not a beater, yeah. Hey, yeah.
Y'all need this shit going crazy.
Sit back, I'ma show you little boys how it's done around here. Sit back, the way my hands stay flawless when the wind is near. Boy, this the kingdom I built, betray my loyalty and everyone you love gets killed. I am him, you hear my name get chills. Gold blood, black heart every day of the year. I am him, boy, I do what I do when I want. Anytime, any setting, I'm a goddamn king. Walk straight, chest puff, head up, keep composure. I'm unbothered, I'm a role model. Me, I'm the best of the best, so I need me a queen with the same type of big energy. Walk around and they bow to the king and the queen, so I tell them to get up and sit back. I'ma show you little boys how it's done around here. Slick back, the way my hands stay flawless when the wind is near. Boy, this the kingdom I built, betray my loyalty and everyone you love gets killed. I am him, you hear my name get chills. Gold blood, black heart every day of the year. I am him. When you say the word, I'll be there. I don't really like the people around it, so I got a solitude with solitude. I know they be here. When I say the word, they'll be here. Real recognize real, I only hang around the realest. All the rest of them I just do not care. Sit back, I'ma show you little boys how it's done around here. Slick back, the way my hands stay flawless when the wind is near. Boy, this the kingdom I built, betray my loyalty and everyone you love gets killed. I am him, you hear my name get chills. Gold blood, black heart every day of the year. I am him.
Yeah, yeah, oh. 'Cause I got too many demons in my brain. I don't want another feeling of heartbreak. Is it funny how I make the same mistakes? Every time I try again, it's like nothing's changed. I just break. I can you take. I can feel my face, and my bones will shake. But I'm growing used to the pain, and I don't ever feel safe. When you left that day, I could fucking hate you, and you won't take this blame too. Leave me alone, I'm feeling so cold. I know it's a no, but I don't wanna go. 'Cause I got too many demons in my brain. I don't want another feeling of heartbreak. It's funny how I make the same mistakes. Every time I try again,
it's killing me. Feelings that I can't afford, too much energy. Rip me to shreds like a photos till nothing's left. Heart is hollow like all the rest. You put a hole inside my chest, why? Call for help, I'm alone again by myself. Sign is killing, I feel it burning like a bullet in my head. I'm close to dead. Take me back to when there was no loneliness. No memories of me and you are all I have. Wonder if I'll ever fill this hole again. I don't know.
Got so many demons in my brain. I don't want another feeling of heartbreak. It's funny how I make the same mistakes every time I try it again and nothing's changed. Got so many demons in my brain. I don't want another feeling of heartbreak. It's funny how I make the same mistakes every time I try it again and nothing's changed. Stare at the stars, you know. If you want it all, I'll give it to you. Just give me the truth. This is as far as I go, 'cause I got so many demons in my brain. I don't want another feeling of heartbreak. It's funny how I make the same mistakes every time I try it again and nothing's changed. Got so many demons in my brain. I don't want another feeling of heartbreak. It's funny how I make the same mistakes every time I try it again and nothing's changed.
Love lies, even if it's goodbye, no cut ties. I just want you.
Cigarette burns on my blue jeans. Yeah, man, my life's a movie and my homies got some good seats. Cigarette burns in my brand new blue jeans. I don't really talk much, I write it on my loose leaf. They don't really call much, they just let me do me. Yeah, that's the way I wanted it since I was born and raised. And sitting saints with my homies and hangs. Now we in Calvin, we getting high when we get down some. Now we living life Arizona state bound.
But I needed something else, I needed more. I don't want my heart to melt all on the floor. I just needed someone else I could adore. But it's all love.